This is exactly 1 week of wearing my stick-on nails. Look how gorgeous they look. Even I do a lot of cleaning, washing up, even gardening, and they're still there. So this nail is chipped yesterday because I did some hard cleaning, but I thought it's gone, but it's still here. Here we go. I might take it off and stick another one. So two of these nails, you can see they're boo, like you see this action. Here you go. But it was wrong size from the beginning. The other nails doing pretty well, like no movements, and I still have a lot of nails left. So if this one too start being more wobbly or uncomfortably, I'll take them off, and I might take this one off. It's chipped, but so far so good. Unbelievable. I'm convinced. And it's already a full week of wearing nails with a lot of housework. Yes. This is my nails after having a nail extensions for about 2 weeks. I took it off myself while it was quarantine, and a little bit of residue left on my thumb, which I need to take off now. I decided to try these press-on nails. Really like the color, so I'm gonna give it a go. First I'm gonna take that deep powder with acetone away. I'm gonna soak it in tin foil for a while. Just using my normal orange stick, pushing cuticle away and cleaning the cuticle area. You still can see a little bit of black marks on my nails that is left from the experience to have these acrylic nail extensions. Personally, I really hated it. It was painful, it didn't last long, the color was awful. I wanted to achieve this kind of color which you can see on stick-on nails, kind of like a peachy pink, really even, but in a salon they did a really bad job. It cost me £45 compared to £4.50, and I'm really convinced now. And guys, I absolutely love the stick-on nails. They last about 3 weeks, no chipping, easy to wear. If you haven't tried it, it's time to try it now, because the technology is so good. It's so much better now. So here I'm doing preparation for application of stick-on nails or press-on nails, and this is my second hand or right hand. The preparation is a bit longer, but you have to do it. It's a must-have. If you would like your fake nails last longer so they not pop out on the next day, you need to prep your nail. Oh, look at these colors. I absolutely adore. I really like the shape. This is absolutely amazing. So in the kit you have orange stick, you have the little file, and in the back you have the wipe soaked in alcohol. First, it's really important to choose your shapes. I filed my nail bed to prep them and use the wipe from the kit to take all the residues and all the fat, oils, all the oils. So the glue residue from the nail bed is stick onto your nail and it's holding for a long time. You really need to do this step for long lasting nails. And here's my first pinky. You can see it just peel off and stick it on. So easy. You spend a little bit more time for prepping your nail, but the application is so much easier. And really important is to choose the right side. I chose the wrong side for 2 of my middle fingers, and they didn't last as long as our ones. They last for about 10 days. So you can see it's a bit bigger. It's better to take size a little bit smaller for your nail bed. I realized it straight away, but it was too late. I already applied it. You have 30 nails in a kit and so many different sizes. You definitely can find the right size for you. Here we go. And they're so light, they're like you can't feel them compared to the acrylic nails, which is quite bulky and you feel like you have something on your nails, which I hate. And this one is like your own nails. Press it really firmly on both sides of nail. Make sure take always air bubbles away. I'm really sorry about the unfocusing camera. I'm still learning how to do it. I used the orange stick which were provided in the kit to a proper press again around cuticle especially. And now my thumbs, it's so much easier to apply thumbs at the end. It's so good. I love it. So this is the 10 days. I just want to say the glue on these nails are so strong even to peel off. I have to soak it in acetone a little bit, and the glue become really soft and easy to take off the nail. So I reapplied the better side nails, and I'm filing that little number away. Here's the 16 days after application, and I absolutely love it. Hi, if you're new to my channel, please press that button to subscribe, like the video. I'm making videos about once a week. I do videos about lifestyle, cleaning, cooking, maybe a little bit of beauty like this video. Just all new to me, I'm trying, and I just do it as my hobby. Thank you.